close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Welcome back to my channel, friends. I'm so glad you decided to stop by. Today's video is a major fridge clean out. After the long 4th of July weekend, our fridge just got packed full of leftovers and everything was just tossed in there any which way, and I just could not take it anymore. I had to get it all cleaned out and organized and get all of the old leftovers that were in there from before 4th of July. So I hope that this motivates you to get some work done in your home that maybe got messed up over the long weekend last weekend. And I hope that you guys are having a great day. And before I get any further in this video, I hope that you will subscribe if you are not already subscribed, and that you will give this video a like, and make sure to comment below, tons of comments, because I love to chit chat with you guys, and I love just sharing the love and sharing the community that we have here on YouTube together.
What's that?
On a wave of good feelings. Well, it's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. This is going boom boom. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. Oh, you can come on over, we can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Oh, water slide. Up in here, got that DJ playing music everybody wants to hear, yeah. It's getting kinda crazy up in here, everybody wants a ride in the water slide. 3, 4. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. Take the roller coaster, and you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide.
Water slide.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in 2 separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what touch you, maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. That's it for today's video, and I'm going to see you guys in next week's video.
Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds.